Got extra cash and want to ditch debt faster? The great news is, SoFi personal loans have no prepayment penalties. You can pay it off early and save on interest. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your SoFi account and navigate to your personal loan. You can make an extra principal payment at any time. When making a payment, you may have the option to designate it as an additional principal payment or payoff amount. You can also contact SoFi support to request a payoff quote, which is the exact amount needed to close the loan on a specific date. My crucial pro tip: specify, apply to principal. When you make an extra payment, if given an option, always choose to apply it to the principal balance, not just as an early payment for the next month. Reducing the principal immediately saves you more interest over the remaining life of the loan. Take control of your debt timeline and save money by paying ahead. Do you prioritize paying off debt early or investing extra cash? For more guides on aggressive debt payoff, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.